Whenever you're working on Jira and you are doing any JQL, that is Jira Query Language, setups, mapping, creations, all those things you can do it with UI. But we can also achieve these tasks with Jira REST API call. Consider a scenario where you're working on any critical activity where you don't have the access of UI or front end. Definitely, you need some authentications to get integrated with Jira REST API or some other way. So REST API is the best way where we can extract informations, create any new informations, or update anything in Jira Cloud. Your problem will be sorted very quickly and we can do it in bulk as well. If you wanted to do it for the bigger piece of informations, you can quickly do it without losing lot of time. Hi everyone, welcome to raigulkul.com. Myself Deepak Rai, and today I'm going to show you how you can extract JQL through Jira REST API. For this, I'm going to use Jira Cloud where I already set up the authentications and extracted the endpoints. But if you don't know how to do it, I will include video URL which I have created previously in description tab, which will be helpful for you to see how to get endpoints and do authentication setup in Jira REST API. In today's video, we'll cover in detail how to extract JQL, create a new JQL, as well as see all the JQLs related REST API call in this video. So if you're visiting this channel first time, feel free to hit like and subscribe the channel. And don't forget to press bell icon. So whenever I will upload a new video, it will get notified to you. To get the JQL informations, here we'll add REST API. I'm using Jira REST API Cloud versions 2. So here for JQL, we are going to use 2 version 2 JQL, and after that we have to add autocomplete, and post this I will click on send. Whichever JQL queries are present in my instance, I can see it here. All the queries related to the value, display name, auto, order table, everything is available here. An HTTP method I'm using get here to extract any informations which is helping me to get JQL related autocomplete data. Similarly, if I wanted to create a new JQL in autocomplete data, I can also do it. For doing this, I have to set the HTTP method as post, and here we have to add some query or JSON query. For doing the JSON query, I'm using include collapsed field equal to true, and after that I will add comma. Post this, I wanted to add projects ID. We'll select project ID, and within the project ID, I will define all my project ID which I wanted to do it. Here I will add first one. Post this, I will add second one and third one. So I wanted to do it for 3, and that's reason I define all 3. Because I wanted to ingest new data, I will select post method and will click on send. So it will create a new flagged display value operations and all, and you can see the status 200, which is okay. Value flag, everything is available here. These are the 3 projects ID which I captured it from instance and I did it. If you wanted to see this project ID data, you can always use Jira REST API calls to get project ID detail. Along with this, we can also do several other actions with JQLs. As of now, in version 2, we have very limited capability, but we can expect in futures some other API calls to be included. So that's all we can do it in post method. Along with this, if I wanted to get suggestions, JQL suggestions, what we have, we can also do it. Instead of post method, we can just set get, and we'll remove this because I'm just extracting these informations, and I can add suggestions. Now my endpoint is done. We'll click on send and I will get these. As of now, I don't have any suggestions into the JQL platform. That's the reason it's not visible. But whenever you want, you can add it. Question for you is, which endpoints you want for Jira Cloud JQL REST API. If you have any specific scenario or use cases, let me know in comments. We'll try to forward your queries with Atlassian team. Whenever you wanted to build any JQL REST API calls, definitely this needs to be addressed from the backend, and then only you will be able to enable or create it. Let me know your request in comment sections. Will pass it on. If you have any suggestions or feedback, we'll be happy to see your suggestions and feedback in comments. Let's conclude. What we did in this video, we tried to extract autocomplete Jira REST API call for JQL, as well as we have created one autocomplete ingest in through REST API calls. And third, we try to see the suggestions. So these three parts we have covered into this video. Hope you liked it. If you have any questions and queries, feel free to reach out to me directly. If you wanted to learn Jira REST API, Confluence, or any Atlassian features, feel free to refer my entire playlist. I've also created one detailed Udemy course on Jira project management. Refer the URL from descriptions, which will be helpful for you to get it started with Jira project management. That's all from this video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.